Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to embroider on your crochet projects. This technique adds beautiful details and personal touches to your work. So grab your yarn and needle and let's get started. To start, insert your needle from the back to the front of your crochet piece where you want to design to begin. Pull the yarn through, leaving a small tail at the back. For a basic embroidery stitch, like a back stitch, insert the needle back into the fabric a short distance from where it came out. Bring it up again a short distance from where you inserted it. Continue making stitches following your design. When you finish your design, secure the thread by pulling it through a few times. Trim any excess thread with scissors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.